Okay, cool, awesome. Hey guys, we're back at Comic Con with Hodor. If you want to turn around and show your proof that you are Hodor. Boom. Boom. So he's got a theory about somebody who's probably not dead. What do you got?
The Hound is not dead.
Agreed.
Clegane Bowl. It's happening.
Clegane Bowl?
It's gonna happen.
What is, okay, I've heard about Clegane Bowl. What is this? What is
Clegane Bowl is pretty simple. It's a prophecy that Cersei got when she was a little girl. That's not what they call it, but basically...
Yeah, they didn't call it Clegane Bowl in the books. They did not call it Clegane Bowl in Westeros.
But basically, they said that she would face her downfall at the hand of a brother, and so people thought that it would be one of her brothers.
Tyrion or Jaime.
Yeah, but instead people think it could just be a brother in general. And so people think the idea is that the gravedigger on the Isles is the Hound.
Right.
And he's going to come over, and in a trial by combat that Cersei's going to request, is going to fight the Mountain, who is now the undead zombie dude.
I love this theory. Okay.
And he's just gonna,
boom.
He's gonna win.
I didn't mean to take your toy. Okay, I was just playing with it.
Pretty much.
Dead.
I think he's gonna get the fire. He's gonna conquer his fear of fire and just fire shank the dude.
I said this before again because I think that if anybody deserves a redemption arc, it's the Hound.
Oh, of course.
Far more than Reek. Okay, I didn't like. I
don't even think Jaime deserves one. I don't like him.
I don't know that Jaime really needs a redemption arc. I wasn't that. I mean, I know you're a Hodor, so you have you're biased about it, but very biased. But I was
Hodor needs more words. That's what I think.
Bran is still Bran is frankly still alive, and apparently he's gonna fly someday. So I think Jaime did him a fucking favor, and Jaime lost a hand. So I mean, yeah. So I think that I'm fine. I'm fine with Jaime. Jaime and Brienne can go live on Tarth.
Hand for legs. I don't know if that's an even trade. I'm just saying.
He's got a hand for flying. Okay. Bran can fly.
Okay.